So I have here is the Z160 flash from Neewer. It's an on-camera, small, compact flash that I'm going to show you how I use it on my compact retro flash setup on my camera. It's super light, super impactful, and I'll show you the style that I can shoot with this tiny, lightweight light that packs such a punch. So I've got a model here in Barbican. We're going to do a quick shoot and review of this. I'm going to show you the output, because this is extremely powerful and effective light that you can put on top of your camera for your flash on camera flash retro look. Alright, so we've got the function on right now. I've actually got the model light on as well, which obviously will help. It's not actually pitch black right now, but when it is, that does come in handy, but I always like to keep it on anyway. We've got the flash power, we've got 1/4. I keep it in manual mode. We've got +5 exposure there, and then yeah, we'll see how these come out. But before we get into that, let me take you back to my Ibiza shoot with the lovely Ava, where I used this at night time, just when the sun was setting, and we got some amazing shots. So let's roll the clip. Go a bit further. That's it, right there, right there, right there. Fire. Ava, look at these. Look at this immediately.
Okay. Okay. That's insane.
See, the bunda is bundering. Insane. Nice. Love that. Alright, in the water.
Okay.
Chuck yourself in the water.
In the water.
Wait, do that again, do that again. Hold on, yeah, do that again, do that again. Move back a couple steps. Go. Yeah, get it right there, right there. Yeah. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Look at this, Ava. Yeah, that's what I was saying, didn't I? Fire. Keep going, keep holding, keep holding. Hold that. Nice. Ooh. This looks editorial. This is a Boohoo advert. So you can kind of bring that one back, and then yeah, so that one's gonna be like up a bit so you can support yourself. Yeah, and then shift, come back and shift this way. That's it. And then yeah, that leg forward, and then push up. Alright, so we're at the next location and another outfit. I'm using the flash without the diffuser just to get a bit more harsh effect onto the model. I like it without the diffusion. Has its place, but I want this retro look. You want it without the diffusion for the max highlights and brightness. Banging. Let's get some light just standing in front of the edge. It's giving retro. It's giving retro. Okay, we got one. Bloody hell. Alright folks, so that was the rundown with this. I'm gonna be using this, I'm gonna be taking this to all my trips with me and stuff like that, because this is a very good, powerful light. I love the model light feature on this as well. I think that's a game changer. It's light and compact. I mean, I've even got smaller, lighter lenses than this, and this combined makes it a nice walk around lens. If out in the city, you just want to take a certain setup with you, I think this actually goes well with it. So yeah, if you want it, the link is in the description. But thanks again for Neewer for sending this out. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Say bye.
Bye guys.